Hello foodies! Welcome to Rishika Recipes. Today I'm going to show you very tasty, healthy salad which will keep you fit. This salad is best for New Year party tables and occupies a special place. First we'll boil the vegetables and eggs. In a bowl take 750 grams of beetroot, 750 grams of carrot, 750 grams of potatoes, pour enough water and start to boil. In another bowl take 8 eggs and boil it. When potatoes and carrot are cooked enough, take them out and continue to boil the beetroot as it takes some extra time to cook enough. Until that we will cut onion and fish. Take one big size onion and cut it into small size cubes and keep it aside. Take 1 kg of salted fish and cut it into small cubes. This type of salted fish widely available in cold countries. If you don't find this type of fish, you can replace it with 400 grams of canned fish or take 1 kg of fresh fish, boil it in salt water, remove the stings and use. If you are using salted fish, wash the fish well after removing internal organs. Now peel the skin of carrot, potato, beetroot and make the eggs ready. After peeling, grate them one by one. Always grate the beetroot at last. If not, the color of beetroot will spoil all other veggies. Here I'm grating only 6 eggs. Remaining 2 eggs I will use for decoration. If you don't want to do the decoration, you can grate all the 8 eggs. For this salad, fish layer will be at the bottom and beetroot layer on very top. Between layers, you can arrange as per your wish. Here I'm starting with carrot as I will reverse the mold. I'm using round mold. You can use any shape. Keep stretch film to avoid sticking to the mold surface. Now press the carrot with spatula and apply mayonnaise and spread it. I'm using homemade garlic mayonnaise. Classic and garlic mayonnaise recipes links I'm giving in description below. Please do check it out. Now we'll go my potato. On top of the potato, mayonnaise. On top of mayonnaise, I am adding grated eggs. Press it with spatula. Add mayonnaise and spread. You can use mayonnaise as per your taste. For this whole recipe, I have used 250 grams of mayonnaise. At last, add the chopped onions and fish. Press it. Now reverse the mold upside down and remove the mold. Look, our fish layer goes to the bottom. Now add on the top grated beetroot and spread it all over the surface and sides. If you observe, I don't use salt in this salad. The salt in the mayonnaise and fish will be enough. If you want, you can add some salt as per your taste. You can skip the decoration step, but here I'm going to decorate with remaining eggs and with some sliced beetroot. I prepared large size salad for party table. If you want small individual salads, please check the description. I'm giving quantities for small and medium size salads. Look how beautiful our salad looks. That's it. Our tasty, healthy and beautiful salad is ready.